Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Google Forms on your phone. Sign in with the Google account you plan to use. Once done, either pick an existing form or tap the plus icon to create a new one. Name the form and add a short description so respondents know the purpose. This helps your response quality. Make sure you choose a template if you need a quick structure. Templates save time, while a blank form gives full control over fields and layout. Next, you add and configure questions. Tap the plus button to insert a new item, then pick a question type like multiple choice, short answer, or file upload. Use the required toggle so you don't miss important answers, and add brief descriptions to guide respondents. Drag the question handle to reorder, and create sections to break long forms into steps. This improves completion rates. Also apply response validation for numbers or email formats, so you collect usable, consistent data. Finally, you share and collect responses. Tap Send, then choose a link, email, or share directly through other apps. Shorten the link for easier distribution. Make sure to set collection options, collect email addresses, limit to one response if needed, or allow respondents to edit answers later. Monitor the Responses tab on mobile to review submissions, and export to Google Sheets or download a CSV for reporting. If responses aren't appearing, confirm network connection, and that form is not restricted to another account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.